to another of Serena's awesome videos. And I lost my tooth today. And I'm going to be making cupcakes, and it's my second time making them. So, right now, I am going to put my cupcake liners into my cupcake pan to start. So let's put them in. I'm going to start with these cute ones. They look very cute. Let's start with them. Is that 2 or 1? Let me check. That looks like it's 2. I should take that out. Perfect, guys. Look how cute they look. Aww. And let's put them in. If you guys haven't noticed, I already set up some stuff too. But yeah, I will just be putting these things in. There's the next one. So adorable. These are so cute. And then the next one. Is that 2 or 1? Let me check. Perfect. It's not 2 or 1. I'm pretty good at making cupcakes, guys. I'm very neat. So if you make a quick cooking video, you better be neat and tidy. See, these are cupcakes. And these ones are finished because I already put them in one of them. So we gotta put the next one in. Obviously, people, if you don't know how to make cupcakes, just watch this video. You'll be learning how to make cupcakes from me. Because I'm the cupcake person. Okay, let's switch so you guys could see. I already did that one. And right now I'm doing the new one. So let's put that one in. I just can't wait for the tooth fairy to come. Tonight. Oh my gosh, imagine. I've never got $1,000. If you guys got $1,000, put a subscribe and comment down below if you lost your tooth and you got $1,000 from the tooth fairy. But I've been waiting years and years for that to come, and that hasn't even come yet. That's 2. Oh, that feels like 2. I got 2. Right? Okay. Guys, I'm sorry I'm taking a long time. Just seeing if I have 2 or 1. It's too hard to make cupcakes. But I am a cupcake maker. Cupcakes are not stable enough. Perfect. Ew. What is that? I just got something on my hand, guys, but I don't know how to wipe it. I'm just going to get some paper towel. I don't know, why would that happen? Like, what is that on my finger? I think that was the applesauce right there. That's the applesauce right there, guys. I already set it up. Right there. You see? Look, I already did this in one video. And right now, let's look at the list. We didn't put the eggs in the bowl, so let's do that. We got 4 eggs, in the bowl. Really, people? What is wrong with these people? How do you even make cookies? So, look, this is one nice little cutie egg. And let's see if there's a chocolate in this, or is there a real egg yolk in this? Let's see. It's an egg yolk! Ew, yucky. I need the garbage can, Mommy. Please, can I have the garbage can? Thank you, Mommy. And the next day, we're gonna be adding 4 eggs. Ooh, that's a bad egg. Yeah. Whee. Mommy? Yeah. Thank you. Ooh, this is a chicken. Oh, it's not chicken. Mommy? Last egg, guys. Okay, a spoon, but I first need a paper towel. Like so disgusting. Look at it, guys. Doesn't that look like ew? It looks like poo. It looks like I don't even know what it looks like. And now let me look at the list. 2/3 of applesauce, which is right over here. Ew, but it's okay. We gotta pour this all in. Let's pour it in. Ew, and then we put applesauce cupcakes, but we're just putting them in. Ew, 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 ew. I'm getting all the applesauce out. Perfect. And we got all the applesauce out. And what's the next thing? Sift cake mix. Oh! What do we do? Okay. And we need to put in the Jell-O this. We have to put this Jell-O thing in, and I'm so excited for this part. So let's put it in. Thank you, Mom. Hey guys, I'm right now doing this stuff, and it looks so nice. See, guys? I put that in, and right now I'm going to sift it. It's easy peasy, guys. If you have never did this before, then just tell me in the comments you have never did this. Because then you could just learn how to do it from me. But my mom teach me how to do all of these stuff because the list she made. Anyways, she made the list for me. Okay, guys, I almost finished the powder. Let's put this thing in.
Do you want help?
I don't know. Just did that. Thank you, Mom. And
The cupcake, the cake mix.
and right now
The cake mix.
now you have to pour in this on the list.
What
I
is
saw.
that?
And it's vanilla essence.
How
Let's
much?
pour it in.
How much?
And we have to put 2 tablespoons of it. Let's pour it. Yes. Wow, that's actually a really little bit. And now, let's put in the cake mix. That's my favorite part. And then after, guys, we're going to be putting in the food coloring. 3 different colors. Ah. Ah. Mom, can you help me?
Sure.
My mom's just helping me. Thank you, Mommy. I got it. Where's the scissors? And guys, look at our cake mix. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Oh, is it wide open or what? Okay, I think I have to cut from the top. Yeah, Mommy. Oh, I got it.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mommy. Let's pour that. Yeah. Come on, let's do this. Come on, guys, let's pour this thing in. Right now, I'm pouring it in. Whee! Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, guys. This is so cool. Hey, guys, we're back. So let's do this. Is this... What do we put this on? Oh, we'll put it in here right now. Then how do we put this thing on? Thank you, Mommy. And now we're mixing it. It looks so cool already. It already looks cool, guys. After we're gonna mix. Oh wow, guys, it's turning brown. Oh wow. I never seen something turn brown. Oh my gosh, it looks like poo. Ew, looks like that's gonna ruin it. Like, have you ever watched Sis vs. Bro? Like, I've been watching that so many times. Karina is getting so mad. And when she gets like poopy green or something in her flag. But this looks so even cooler. So let's do this. OMG! Look at this, guys. Okay, let's stop this. Yeah. Ah. Woo. One more time. We're gonna make that be fantastic. Let's go.
No, do more.
No, do more? Okay. Mommy, move the spoon. Guys, this is so duper duper cool. Okay, let's turn this off and look at it. I'm gonna taste it. Have you ever did this when you're making this? Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. That just tastes so good, guys. Hi guys, we're back. We're gonna take another full spoon and put it in. Let's take another spoon. I'm sorry I'm so loud, guys. But yeah, I like to make videos very loud. A little bit. And it's in. Get out. Pooped. And this thing put in. Do this. You guys, after I put both of these things in the microwave, in the oven, I'm gonna be making cupcakes.